One small design principle can completely change the way your work looks. This principle is balance. Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mohey and this is Mohey TV. I recently decided to switch my content from Arabic to English so that I can reach more people all over the world while improving my English at the same time. Without any further ado, let's get started. If your design feel messy, confusing, or not comfortable to look at, there is a good chance it has a balance problem. Just look a butterfly. Its wings are balanced, and that's one of the reasons it looks so beautiful. Nature is actually one of the best resources of inspiration for designers. So how you can use balance in your designs? There are three main types of balance. Symmetrical balance. This is when both sides of a design look the same or very similar. It creates a clean, professional, and organized look. That's why it's often used in company logos, business presentations, and formal designs. Symmetrical balance. This is when both sides are different, but they still feel balanced. For example, one large element can be balanced by several small elements on the other side. You will often see it in posters and social media designs. Radial balance. This is when elements are arranged around the central point. It helps direct attention to the main subject and makes it stand out. A flower is a great example for radial balance. Now you know the main three types of balance and how they can improve your design. In the next videos, we will talk more about design principles that every designer should know. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share and leave a comment. See you in the next video.